Hey guys, welcome to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram messages disappearing. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I hop up into my phone, and first of all, I'm going to open up my Instagram application, and I'm going to show you how we can fix the problem. If your messages immediately disappear after you send it, maybe you accidentally activated the disappearing messages feature. I'm going to go to my Instagram direct messages, and I'm going to open up this room chat in my direct messages. Okay, and when we swipe up our screen in the room chat, the disappearing messages feature will be activated automatically. As you can see, now I'm in the disappearing messages mode, and then I'm going to try to send a message. Okay, and I'm going to close it and see the messages immediately removed. Okay, and the message is gone, and I'm going to show you how we can fix this problem. If you face this problem, you just need to turn off the disappearing messages feature. You just need to swipe up again until the disappearing messages feature is turned off. Okay, and now the disappearing messages feature has been disabled, and I'm going to try to send a message. Okay, and I'm going to close it and check it. Okay, the message is still here. It's not disappearing. Okay, and actually you can also turn on or turn off the disappearing messages feature here. Just click on the account's name, and then you can click on disappearing messages, and then you can disable the disappearing messages. Okay, or you can simply swipe up your screen to turn on or turn off. Okay, just like this. That's a simple, right? And then I'm just going to go back, and okay, now the problem is solved, and I hope this tutorial can solve your problem as well. Okay guys, and that's all the way to fix Instagram messages disappearing. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.